People train their lower back like it's a single muscle. They only address the simple function of extension. But in reality, the lower back and the spine are capable of many more functions. For example, my spine can not only extend me, but it can bend me towards the right and twist me towards the right. It is also capable of extending me, bending me towards the right, and twisting me towards the left. Of course, it can do these same functions on the other side. So the rest of this video will address some simple concepts in regards to having complete lower back training. The first simple concept to understand in regards to training the lower back or the muscles of the spine is that the muscles will contract on the opposing side to the side where the load is being held. So if I'm holding the load on the left side of my spine, the muscles on the right side of my spine will contract. If I hold the load on my right side, the muscles on the left side of my spine are contracting. This is true whether I'm holding the load stationary or whether I'm moving it. So if I'm swinging the load to my right, muscles on the left side of my spine are contracting. If I'm swinging the load to my left, muscles on the right side of my spine are contracting. A very important concept in regards to exercising the spine is that we have muscles that twist us towards the left and we have muscles that twist us towards the right, and they exist on both sides of the spine. So if I take a load and twist towards my right, the muscles of the left side of the spine are being engaged, but only those that twist me towards the right. If I take the same load and twist towards the left, again, it's the muscles on the left side of the spine that are being engaged, but only those that twist towards the left. Same thing occurs on the other side of the spine, of course. So if I extend and twist towards my left, now the muscles on the right side of my spine are being engaged, but only those that twist towards the left. If I take the load and twist towards the right, still engaging the muscles on the right side of the spine, but only those that are dedicated towards twisting towards the right. Final concept. Prior to targeting any muscle fibers in your lower back, stretch the fibers of your abdominals and your obliques to achieve a higher level of activation. So for example, if I'm targeting the muscle tissues which extend my back, bend me towards the right, but twist me towards the left, prior to performing that set, I'm going to stretch out my external oblique. So my external oblique runs from the front of my pelvis to the back of my ribs, running in this direction. So I'm going to perform a stretch in extension, lateral flexion to my right, twisting towards my left, creating as much separation between the two attachment points. I'll hold that for 30 seconds. Now when I go ahead and perform my set to target those muscle fibers of my lower back, I'll actually achieve a much higher level of activation. That's a great concept overall in regards to your training. Prior to doing a set for your target muscle fibers, always stretch out the antagonists first.